Is there any other encouragement that you would offer to business leaders considering this type of transformation?
Well, first of all, I think despite the fact that we said many transformations fail, there are also many transformations which succeed. So I think change can be very exciting. Change is linked to innovation. If we look at champions in sports or champions in industry and manufacturing or business, they have a mindset of champions. And that champion's mindset allows to create excitement about change. Even in companies which have a legacy process, legacy team for many years, change can be very exciting. We need to have the right narrative, we need to have the right story, we need to take time for proper communication, like why do we do that, why do we want to change, why do we want to invest in technology, or why do we want to go to a new market and produce in a new market, why do we need to acquire a company, and reassure people that it's not to eliminate jobs, is to remain competitive, to grow, and everybody will participate in the growth of the company. So change can be very inspiring, very motivating, and it can lead to the innovations we need and lead to the success we need for long-term success. You know? Not addressing change and transformations means we decide to stay a little bit longer in the comfort zone, but at a risk to face a cliff at some point. And typically that's brutally hard when that wake-up moment happens.